today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to build a roller coaster inversion, specifically the barrel roll. What's up guys, welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, presenting to you guys something new and possibly educational. Barrel rolls are a common inversion used on many different roller coasters, and this is the model I'm going to show you how to build today. There are a lot of different ways you can build this barrel roll, however this is my model that you guys can follow along with. The first step you're going to want to do is build the base. Here seen by these images, I'm showing you guys how to build that base out of Knex. You'll also see at the end of the base there are two Knex pieces that you can put there to start the beginning and the end of the barrel roll. Step 2, you are now going to build what I call the shaft. This is where the track is going to turn 360 degrees. And now we just simply put the two pieces together. I have circled the start and ending points of where the shaft is going to be, and also in what direction you are going to put them. So you simply just snap the rods into the connectors on the base. And now the next step is we're going to build these supporting connectors, which are going to go onto the shaft, and they are placed in the order that the train is going to roll by them. Now I've numbered the places that they're going to be placed on the structure, so just place them with the corresponding numbers that each support is supposed to go. Now the next step you're going to want to do is connect 6 pieces of micro track together, and I'm connecting them all with a flexi rod spinal track. And what you're going to want to do is you want to create this bottom lip V, if you will, so that way your barrel roll is nice and smooth. Now when connecting them to the structure, what I've done is I've split the track in half, so I'm only working with 3 pieces at a time. Now as I connect them to the supports, I will circle where exactly they go on the spinal track so that you guys can follow along. And once you've connected them, if it looks a little wobbly, you'll see in just a moment how it looks a little bit deformed and not perfectly smooth. You can move the supports along the structure or even the spinal track, so that way they're in a much better fixed position and everything will run smoothly. These are very subtle changes, however it will make a huge difference when you see the train roll by on the inversion. And for the second half of the track, same deal, just make sure you attach the track in the corresponding spots, as well as connect the 2 tracks together as well. And with that, the barrel roll is finished, and the last thing we got to do is test it. So what I do is before running a full train on this inversion is I run a sample car on them. This is to basically check for the smoothness of the inversion, as well as make sure that it is completely level and not elevated or de-escalating in a certain way. You can also check for smoothness by running your finger along the track on each section of the barrel roll. This is to check if there are any random kinks or bumps in the track on each section. As long as there is none of that and your finger naturally rotates on each part of the barrel roll, then it is ready to be used. And there you guys have it. That is how you build a barrel roll out of Knex for your roller coaster. Be sure to let me know in the comments if you have any questions on how to build this, as well as what other inversions or elements you would like to see tutorials of. Be sure to check out my channel for more Knex roller coasters, and like and subscribe for more videos as I will keep them coming. Thank you guys, I will see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace!